Look at this. This is Ficus religiosa. I've had it in this bucket of water for some weeks. I change the water every day. Look, it's growing roots now, and it's a large stick. Of course, you can take a small stick, and a stick maybe about that size, about 6 inches long or something, and grow a new plant out of Ficus religiosa. But look at this. I can grow an instant tree, a good-sized tree, all just from putting it in water. So if you've got a Ficus religiosa, you can always take some cuttings, put it in a jar of water on your windowsill. That's a very good sized tree, that will be. All I have to do is pot it up now. Buddhists like Ficus religiosa. That one lost its leaves, but the leaves will come back. This one's a bit slower, this other one. This one's just starting, but this was a very big branch, so it's going to take a bit longer. It wasn't my intention to grow new trees, because I have to keep them indoors here in the winter because it's so cold, but I just did an experiment. So actually, if you had one just about that size, a branch that size, a little piece that big in a glass of water, it would shoot roots. And you could plant it out. Nice to know. Easy way to propagate Ficus religiosa. And Buddhists like them, as I said. Beautiful. All those roots. No hormones, nothing, just water. There are two beautiful specimens of Ficus religiosa. Look at them, aren't they beautiful? They're a type of fig, related to the fig that you eat, and excuse me, the rubber tree Ficus elastica. Look at those leaves. So all one has to do to propagate Ficus religiosa is to take a cutting and put it in a glass of water, a jar of water, and to change the water every day for a couple of weeks, and you'll get roots, and they'll be lovely. They will.